The great honesty and courageous Borok icon man and martyr bikram jamatia, who gave his precious life to safeguard our homeland Tripura from illegally migrated Bangladeshis on 10th May 1973. He is the greatest patriotic of the state Tripura. Martyr bikram jamatia, who is recognized as a true patriot, freedom fighter, and the first martyr for our ancestral homeland of Tripura, who sacrificed his life to rescue our homeland from illegal immigrants, Videshi. Bikram jamatia was a dedicated young blood and a respected person. He was the son of a farmer of Gairingakam village in Telamura. He was a kind and helpful young man. He strongly believed in God. He shed his blood to save our land. He strongly loved his land and society. His dream was to free Tripura from illegal intruders. His vision is to offer peace and security to Tripura. He knew well about his birthrights. He didn't hesitate to fight for our birthrights. He was a very straightforward man and was very focused in contributing for our motherland. We Borok people are very proud of him. In the time of India-Pakistan partition in 1947, there occurred a Hindu-Muslim riot in present Bangladesh, and Hindus ran for their life. Our King Bubakra Bir Bikram provided them shelter and humanitarian aids in our land. But after that, a huge amount of unchecked illegal intruders influx continued. During Bangladesh independence struggle in 1971, more refugees flocked in, and this trend continued. Those illegally migrated from the then Pakistan aggressively started snatching away properties of Borok people. Borok people formed a community known as Tribal Vision Welfare Organization, TVWO. The organization started protesting against the illegal occupation of our homeland, against the very act of 187, Bombay money leading. TVWO handed deputation to State Congress government in April 1972, TLR, Tripura Land Restoration. But there was no response by State Congress government. In February 1973, TVWO gives again TLR notice to PM of India, State Congress government, Tripura police. Station, DM, SDO, and the leaders of the refugees, but there was no response. Seeing silent attitude of the governments in the center and in state, a couple dozens of TVWO activists